Hello, my name's Rebecca, and this is Your Bourbon Journey. Welcome to another night of Thirsty Thursday cocktails. It's almost the 4th of July, and I was thinking, what is a fun cocktail that we can drink outside, enjoy in the heat of the summer, and then maybe perhaps have it be a little bit patriotic. So I thought back to a few weeks ago. I was at a family reunion and we love drinking bourbon and lemonade when we're outside in the heat. So today we're going to make a patriotic bourbon and lemonade drink. Does that sound fun? I hope so. Let's get to it. So first we're going to want a bourbon. I've selected the Russell's Reserve 10-year, which has a great rye note, holds up really well with a lemonade and other flavors we're going to use. So I thought, let's go with the Russells. Second, got to have some lemonade. Now, Wayne and I enjoy things sugar-free, so we will be having a sugar-free, Minute Maid, pre-made lemonade. You can also make lemonade fresh, but this just seemed like a pretty easy way, especially if it's a holiday. We don't want to spend all day in the kitchen. We also need a little bit of grenadine, because we're going to add a little bit of red to our drink, so that'd be kind of fun. And I also have some fresh squeezed lemon juice, because I want to add a little hint of tartness to our drink. So we also have a mixing glass as well as our rocks glass ready to go. And we have a little garnish prepared of blueberries because that's going to make the blue aspect. So let's walk through the process step by step and we'll have you making some patriotic bourbon lemonade for the holiday. So let's start with our bourbon, which again is our Russell's Reserve 10-year. We'll be using 2 ounces of the Russells. It's going to give it a nice foundation for the rest of the cocktail. We're going to match that with 2 ounces of the prepared lemonade. So equal portions of that. We're putting it into a mixing glass that has some ice because we want this to be really nice and chilled. Probably going to be a hot day. Next, we will use about 1 ounce of our fresh squeezed lemon. And it depends on how tart your lemon is. If it's really tart, you might want to go with 3/4 of an ounce, but this lemon was just right. We're going to go with 1 ounce of the fresh squeezed lemon juice. There we go. I'm going to stir that up a bit, let it get going, kind of chilling in the glass. While that's chilling, we're going to add 1 ounce of this grenadine to our cocktail glass. That's going to give us this really nice red look because we want to be red, white, and blue for the holiday. Let that settle to the bottom while we finish stirring just a bit to ensure our cocktail is nice and chilled. It's getting there, so we're pretty close. If you were really worried about layering this, we could also pour it over the back of a spoon, and maybe I'll see if I can do that and keep it a little layered. But I don't have any sweet notes. I would probably need to add some simple syrup to this, but I'm kind of wanting to go a little tart today, so I did not add any simple syrup. But we will just pour this into our cocktail glass. Very good. I like the way that's looking. Now we've got the red. I know it's really yellow, but we're going to call it white. And the blueberries will be our blue. Isn't that fun? I can't wait to try it. Cheers to a happy and safe 4th of July and enjoying this cocktail. If you like a tart cocktail, this is great. I put 2 ounces of that 10-year-old Russell's Reserve in here, and it's kind of hiding a little bit. So be very cautious with this drink because you could just drink a few of these and maybe not even notice. But I love the look of the red coming up from the bottom. The way the lemonade and the lemon juice play well with the bourbon is terrific. It's got this great like kind of sweet and caramely note from the bourbon and that nice sour note from the lemonade. It's almost a sweet and sour going on. And then the blueberries, which of course we can snack on as we enjoy it. So I hope this is really fun and you will enjoy the 4th of July with a fun cocktail with your friends and family. Cheers to a safe and wonderful 4th of July. Enjoy yourself. Have a wonderful Thirsty Thursday, getting ready for the 4th. And I hope you'll join me again next week. Cheers.